Police Lieutenant Colonel Lamsis, Police Lieutenant Colonel Kandag, Police Lieutenant Colonel Kumbok, former Police Major Vicente Vicente, former Police Major Rio Maymay, former Police Major Kenneth Militar, former Police Colonel Ipil Dinyas, and Attorney Jerome Masoga of Napolcom 6, and Mr. Napoleon Arostoki of Napoleon 6. And Mr. Chairman, may I ask the COMSEC for all those resource persons that was mentioned to take their oath. Kindly take a seat. Mr. Chairman, habang wala pa yung COMSEC, I will just, okay. Please proceed, COMSEC.
Now, please